What's going on, everybody? This is Nick back with another piano tutorial for you guys, and today we're gonna be learning how to play Norman Hutchins' God's Got a Blessing. But this is in the key of E major. So the first chord is a B suspended, what I would call it. So you got A, B, and E. Now what normal people would do is this. Carrying E on both octaves, A and B in the middle. So you have F sharp on your left hand, octaves. On your left hand you have A flat, F sharp 11, F sharp, B, and E. So oops, my bad. C sharp on the left hand, or D flat or C sharp. This is a B major chord. Now me, I like to roll off the D flat. Some people may do this and don't even play the B. Cause they both play the same effect to me. So you got 2, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. So this is an A, F sharp, and A, with A on the left hand. This is E, A flat, and E, with E on the octave. So D flat, and E, B, and back to the one. Not the back to the one, but back to the start, the suspended